Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's lesson is about problem solving in chapter 6, space. So first of all, I just want to recap again last week's lesson, which is volume of cube and cuboid. As you can see here, this is the formula to find volume of cuboid, and this is the formula to find cube of volume of cube. So volume of cuboid is definitely length times by width times by height. And same goes with the cube also, the length times by width times by height. So basically cuboid has the same length, width and also height. Untuk cube biasanya length, width dengan height dia sama. So for cuboid it's a bit different. So next, this is the example for problem solving. The picture shows a square-shaped cow's farm. Zaini wants to build a fence around the farm, so the length of the one side of the fence is 16. When we talk about square here, we know that if let's say the question tell you that the length of the one side is 16. So if this is 16, when we talk about square, this is also my 16. Why? Because square has all the same size. Has same size. Side. Dia semua sama. Length dia sama. So if this is 16, this is also 16. So this is the first thing that you need to understand from the problem. So when the question asks you to do what is the total length for the fence, when the question asks you total here, means the question asks you to plus, add, tambah. So when we talk about total, bila kita kata tambah, operasi tambah, it should be perimeter. Okay, maksudnya dia minta perimeter. When we have here square here, we have the side is 16. We already know this is also 16, even though the question never mentioned that. But we know when square has the same side. So kalau ni 16, this is going to be 16. 16 also, this is going to be 16. And this is going to be 16 also. So when you add on this 4 numbers, 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16, it will become 64. So for the B questions, the B question asking you to do area. Area of square also we already learned. So area untuk square is length times by width. So we know that the length is 16 and the width is also 16. So 16 will times by 16, you will get 256 meters square. Alright, this is how you're going to check that. Okay. Cara nak check jawapan, is it correct or not. Next questions, next example. David arranged Rubik cubes. Rubik cube is something that you can change the color according to the same color. With the sides of 4 cm into a box as shown in the picture. David susun Rubik ni, dia nak masuk dalam the big box. The big box. So how many Rubik cubes can be placed in the box? Berapa banyak ni comel ni boleh masuk dalam the big box? So the first thing first, what you have to do is you have to find the volume of the box. Already stated that volume of the box is 16. Kalau box tu bentuk apa? Cuba tengok balik. Box tu bentuk the box is cuboid shape, right? So dia bagi tahu sini 16, dia bagi situ 12, dia bagi situ 8. So you just have to add on everything. So you get 1536, and then you get you count the volume of Rubik cube, which is the cube is 4. Cube, bila sebut cube, walaupun disebut 4 kat sini, cube should be same lah. 4 is also 4, so 4 times 4 times 4, you can get 64. Bila macam mana kita nak cari berapa banyak yang kecil ni boleh masuk dalam kotak besar ni, so you have to divide. So dapatlah jawapan ni. Okay, 24. Next questions. Okay, kita try to answer this question. Zura has 240 cm of black lace to decorate a square tablecloth. Square tablecloth. Dia ada 240. Dia ada 240. Okay, bila kita tahu square, square bentuk dia this one lah, this is square. Square, it has 4 same side. Dia ada 4 yang sama, besar sama, length dia semua sama. So how we going to know the each side of the tablecloth? Ni, panjang ni berapa? So for A, you just have to 240 centimeter. You just divide by 4. Why you divide by 4? Because square has 4 same side. Dia ada 4 same side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each satu ni berapa? So you divide with 4. So you get 60 centimeter. So the answer for A is 60 centimeter. 60 cm. So how about B? You know already this is 60. This is also 60. You know this is also 60. And you know this is also 60. Because it is square. Square sama. Calculate the surface area. The question asks you to answer the question of area. So area of square, you already learned that area of square is equal to length times width. Length times width. Dia punya ni darab dengan ni. So 60 times by 60, you can get 3,600 meter square. Oh sorry, bukan meter square, cm square. Sorry, teacher tak nampak dia punya unit. Cm, centimeter square. Alright, so we finish A and also B. Next question. Okay, Lifeform arrange 48 cubes in the cuboid shaped box. The length of each side of a cube is 3. So what is the volume of the cuboid shaped box? Okay, apa soalan dia? Dia susun 48 cube. Dia susun 48 cube. So maksudnya cube ni yang comel-comel ni ada dalam 48. Okay. Dalam satu box besar ni, dalam satu box besar cuboid ni ada 48 cube. Right? So dia nak tanya the length of each side of cube. Dia bagi tahu the length of each side of cube ni 3. So we know that cube, kalau kat sini 3, this is also 3, this is also 3. Why? Because cube also macam square, dia punya side semua sama. Kalau you tengok cube, it's like a dice. Bentuk macam dadu. Semua sama je bentuk. So bila kita tahu this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. So first thing first, you need to find the volume of the cube. Satu cube. Satu volume of satu cube ni. So kita darab 3 times by 3 times by 3 equals to 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is equal to 27 cm cube. And then what is the volume of cuboid shape? Okay, ni satu. Satu cube ada 27. Okay. So sekarang ada 8 cube. Ada 48 cube. Maaf, teacher silap. Ada 48 cube. So what you have to do is, kalau 48 cube, awak kena darab je lah. 27 times by 48. You get the answer. Okay. So you can do here. I don't have any space here. So you can do 27 times by 48 here. So 7 times by 8 equals to 56. 6 here. 5 up. So 2 times 8 equals to 16. 16 plus by 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21. So this one times plot. 7 times by 7 times by 4 equals to 28. 2 here, 8 here, 2 up. So 2 times by 4 is equal to 8. Plus 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so you get the answer 6, 9, 2, 1. So the volume for the cuboid shape will be 21296 centimeter cube. So this is the answer. Alright. So I think this is it. I really hope that you download this slide for your reference. If you have any questions, you can ask me later during dekat Telegram, you can PM me dekat Telegram, or you can wait for your turn to come to the school and you can ask me during the physical class. Alright, so thank you so much. I will hand you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.